Yo, damn, those sound good as fuck. What up though, YouTube? You already know what it is, man. It's your favorite damn DJ in the land, DJ LiXxer, and I'm back with another product review. I know it's been a minute since we did one of these, y'all, but I haven't had to get any new equipment in a very long time. My favorite pair of headphones just recently broke. They were by Pioneer, the HDJ 1500s, I believe they were called. I can't quite remember off the top of my head. Please don't curse me out in the comments for that one. I've had them for about 3 years. They did its duty. When I bought them back 3 years ago, they were around the $150 price point, and for $150, I definitely wore them down. Like, I'm not even kidding, man. So many shows, traveling in my backpack, and it was just wear and tear. It wasn't anything bad that happened or anything like that. It's just, you know, time goes on and you use your headphones so much, and it just got to the point where they just went out. So with that being said, I was on the search for some brand new headphones. To be honest with you, y'all know me, I like doing research just like the rest of y'all. Went on Google, typed in best DJ headphones. These bad boys popped up. Pioneer HDJ X-10s. I was a little skeptical at first, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, only because I never felt comfortable spending so much money on some headphones. $300 for some headphones. You can actually get like a pair of speakers. Well, not a pair. Well, actually, yeah, you can actually get a pair of speakers for the amount of money that you're paying for these headphones. But when I saw the reviews and I saw, you know, the promo video online, I got super hyped. Some of your favorite DJs that you know, especially house, y'all know I'm a house head, y'all know I love house music, y'all know I love spinning house music. Some of the greats like Roger Sanchez, one of my favorite DJs, period, on this earth, Carl Cox, endorses these headphones. And being a primarily house and hip-hop DJ, I really wanted something that could cater to the flavor of the music that I spin for my audience. So when I saw these and I saw the reviews and I saw that Carl Cox was wearing them, I'm not gonna lie, Carl Cox sold me on the headphones, you feel me? I was like, yo, I have to get these bad boys. So I dropped the 300 for them. I was a little, I'm a very frugal DJ. If y'all don't know DJ LiXxer, I'm very frugal. I don't like spending buku amounts of money on shit. So it took a lot for me to spend $300 on some headphones, but this is going to be a thorough review. Pioneer ain't paying me to do this shit. I'm literally just sitting down. I just got these bad boys and I was like, I'm gonna open them up. Like, I never put these on. As you can see, this is still in like the box. I literally just ripped this bitch out the plastic. So with that being said, let's get into this unboxing. I know y'all don't want to waste any more time. Why waste more time? Because I want to keep this video short so y'all can see what it do. So let's get into it, man. I'm not really into the going over the boxes and unboxing because it's like, what's the point? I hate when people do that. It's kind of like, okay, we see the box. Nobody cares about the box. Unless you're doing like sneaker reviews, you know what I'm saying? But that's not this. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to pop this bad boy open. If I can get this, there we go. I like to open my clean though, you feel me? I like to open it clean. It's like got that, I love that new box smell, man. I love getting new gear, you feel me? And if it's 3 things I want to talk about when it comes to this, can I get this shit the f out? Give me a minute. Okay, there we go. Ooh, okay, so this part, we don't need it. It looks cool, man. The box looks cool. Y'all know I'm not into boxes, so deeper connection, it says. So when it comes to headphones, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I look for 3 things in headphones: sound clarity, comfortability, and durability. Sound clarity, obviously you gotta have some good sounding headphones. Don't go to Five Below, don't go to Target, get you no DJ headphones. Spend some good money on some headphones, y'all, because it's really important that you can hear. Comfortability is important. I'm a female DJ. The way my hair is set up, sometimes I like putting my headphones on my head under the cusp because I wear mine under the chin 9 times out of 10, or above the headphones, over the ears. So important because I wear earrings. And I know most guys probably don't think about this, but as a female, I love them big ghetto ass hoops when I DJ. Last but not least, durability, because you gotta be able to have these bad boys. If I'm spending $300 on some headphones, I better be able to do 300 gigs a year on this thing. So it looks really cool, guys. Look at that. I want y'all to, got a red tag. Can y'all read that? Deeper connection. You feel me? Okay. So let's lift this tag up. I'm gonna look with y'all. Here we go. This is some sexy shit. Fam. This is like, is there anything? Okay, so we lift that tab down. We got a little What's this right here? We got a little block right here. Maybe that's just, who knows what that's for. All right, Pioneer HDJ X-10 instructions. It's headphones, we need instructions. It looks like we have, okay, so we had, oh, this is connected to the headphones. Okay, so this looks like our cord that we're gonna connect it to our headphones. An auxiliary jack. I don't know what this is specifically. What ending part this is. Y'all forgive me, fancy in the background eating if y'all can hear. I don't know, it's like a 3-prong thing going on. I don't know if y'all can see that. Sorry guys if you can't. It's like a 3-prong situation going on. Is that 3 or is that 4? No, it's 4. It's a 4-prong situation going on. So I'm gonna open it this way so y'all can see. Nice case, man. Sturdy ass case. It's super big, man. My old headphones actually came with a soft case. I like this because that means I can throw this against the wall. Nothing's gonna happen to it. I can throw it down some stairs. Nothing's really gonna happen to it. It's sturdy. It got a little handle right here. You know what I'm saying? Pioneer DJ on the front, obviously. Pioneer, please come get your girls. Come sign your girl to some type of deal or something, man. I've been using y'all products since I've been DJing. I've been DJing since 2012 and I love y'all. But, all right, let's go. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, this is interesting, guys. We have like a mobile pocket or something. Like, wow. Look at that. It gives you pockets. And it looks like you can fit some micro SD cards here. I'm gonna look into this. I'm gonna do some research on this because I don't know why they would put the SD cards right here. It's dope, don't get me wrong. Are DJs DJing with micro SD cards? I thought we were using USBs. Maybe they're USB too, who knows, who knows. But it looks like the micro SD cards. But anyway, this is the creme de la creme. Oh my God, they feel. You ever smelt your headphones, bro? The headphones smell, it's like a new car smell, man. Anytime I get new gear, I get excited, bro. They feel pretty good. They're not heavy. They're not heavy at all, actually. I don't know how much this weighs, but it's not heavy at all. Obviously, you know, got the Pioneer DJ on the top right there. Does it have a full, okay, so it doesn't swivel all the way. My old headphones used to swivel both ways. Oh, there we go. Inside, outside. Did y'all hear that? Oh. Is that to hold? Oh wow, maybe that's maybe that's to hold them in place. So you can do, I don't know what only DJs on the movies do this. Like, I don't ever really see DJs DJ like this. Like 9 times out of 10 they have their headphones on. I think that's kind of dope though, that they click in place. So they're not gonna, y'all can see. Super sturdy, man. Durability looks good. I mean, it's a headphone, guys. It's headphones, but they're $300. I'm really not even, I don't really care about the outside as much as I care about like how they feel on my head. I would say my arm. How good they feel on my head, as well as how good they sound. So let me see something real quick. Let's see what these bad boys sound like. I got a little big head, so I'm gonna extend these just a couple centimeters. Are these no? Wow. Yeah, I can't hear anything, man. This is great. I'm yelling, my bad. This is really good. I can't hear anything. So these are noise canceling as well, and are these noise canceling? Bro, they gotta be. Yo, this is like a real review, y'all. I'm giving y'all like true life, like real life reaction right now. That's pretty dope. All right, so we did the unboxing. They feel really good on my ears. I'm sorry guys if I'm yelling, but these feel awesome. Like, I can go to the airport with these. Like, I probably won't be using my AirPods no more because and I'm not in my head, but there's not even any music. Let's see if they pass the earring test. Usually I gotta, oh yeah. See, this is how I wear my headphones. I don't be trying to be cool, y'all. That's how I wear my headphones. They're pretty sturdy, especially under the cusp, because like I said, I wear my headphones like this. Not everybody does, but they feel really good, man. They're not moving. They seem pretty damn durable. These are dope. I love them already, man. They're not heavy, but they're heavy enough. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like if I drop these a few times at the club, I wouldn't have any issues. I like that they click out of place for the outer ear. If you do DJ like this, I don't know many who do. You know what I'm saying? But if you do, they click on the outside. It's pretty dope. But y'all know what I'm here for, man. I want to see how these bad boys sound. So we're gonna go in the studio. We're gonna set this bad boy up and we're gonna see exactly how they sound. Like first reaction, see how it sounds. But like I said, my old Pioneer headphones were the best ones I ever had. So let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we in the studio. Got my headphones, got my attachment on. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this into the DJI MS9 and make sure our headphone level is up. Oh wow. Alright, I'm about to turn my master up. Let's see if I hear it. Daydreaming my hot rocket, rocket my phone with a horse, so I know that he come over and ride. Nobody knows. Wow. Him on the low. Wow. Wow. I'm ready to go. Hey, I had to go with the. I'm not trying to get no copyright infringement, so I only played like 8 seconds of that song. Yo. All right. Damn. Those sound good as yo, y'all, I've been DJing without headphones for probably like the better part of like 2.5 months. I wanted to give y'all a true, honest, thorough review. Obviously, I'm gonna come back to these in a few months and tell y'all how I feel about them. These sound great, they do. I couldn't hear my speaker at all. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I feel like it's a good thing because it's like if you just want to be in tune with your headphones. Like I just recently did a gig where like my sound was like 100 yards away and all I had was my headphones. I didn't have a monitor or I didn't have anything. So to be able to have these and just vibe with what's in your headphones, it's amazing. I will give you guys an updated review maybe in like a few months, like I said, to show y'all how the durability held up, how the comfortability held up, sound clarity, but it sounds really damn good. Are they better than my old ones? I feel like my old ones, the highs were a lot crisper. I feel like the mids in here are kind of flat. Not a lot of bass, but it definitely gets the job done. Are they worth $300? I can't tell you right now. I can't tell you if they worth $300 right now because I'm gonna have to do a few gigs with them. I feel like that would be unfair for me to be like, yo, buy them now, because I don't know. So let me do a few events with these bad boys. I'll come back in a couple months and I'll give y'all a true update on these motherfuckers. They sound cold right now, you feel me? They sound cold. So I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Y'all know what it is. It's your girl DJ LiXxer. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like, and also don't forget to hit that one time for the one time. Every time your girl DJ LiXxer uploads a video, you see it and you run into it, man. You run into it. I appreciate y'all, man. Help me get to 20,000, man. And also, don't forget, February 1st, man, I'm nominated for DJ of the Year for Certified Street Radio. Please make sure y'all go and vote for me. Once February 1st comes out, I'll definitely leave the link below so y'all can click on it and y'all can see what it is. The Pioneer HDJ X-10s. They're not that bad, but we'll see. I'll holla at y'all on this one, man. Peace.